Welcome back to our channel.
So this is me, Mary Rose, and this is.
What's your name?
I thought it was you.
It's you.
June Jillian.
And this is Nancy. So guys,
Here we are again for another vlog. And
we're gonna prank somebody.
yeah.
So yeah. So let's
go.
teleport to the house.
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
So yan guys, nagte-teleport na ako sa bahay. Wala pa si June Julian at yung kapatid na niya, like Okay, so meron kami
Hi guys. So
Nandito
yan.
na siya.
Nandito wala ako kanina kasi nag-CR ako.
Okay.
So yan, ito yung first victim namin. Howie. So guys, ganito talaga guys. Yan ang first victim namin. Okay guys, so yeah. Okay, let's start the prank. Action.
Bakit? Realistic. Nag-aaway na sila guys. Oh my God, nag-aaway na pa rin sila.
So guys, ang ating prank ay na-fail. Nag-aaway na sila. Ano. So guys,
Anong gagawin namin?
Okay guys, so let's go back to the video.
Go! Naman sila. Okay. Oh my God, guys.
So guys, nag-aaway na talaga sila guys.
Yes.
Naiyak talaga. Char, joke lang ko guys ha. So, anong gagawin namin para matigil ang away nila? I-approach natin. Okay, i-approach natin. Go. Oh, okay guys. Hoy, tigil na kayo guys! Tigil!
Tigil!
Tigil! Akala ko prank lang ito. Bakit nag-ano na kayo?
Wait. It's...
Pow pow!
Yes?
1, 2, 3. It's a prank!
So, ayan guys, na-prank na namin siya.
So guys, talaga guys,
Malapit akong natatawa kanina.
totoo na talaga yung ano nila away. So i-approach talaga namin, kailangan na lang talaga sila i-approach. So
Dapat mayroong
that's-
subscribers. 2 na dapat. Okay.
yeah. So guys, that's all for the video today.
Ang character.
Later na po guys. Bye-bye.
Bye!